I'm going to show you how to create a ClickUp account. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser, so it could be anything, and go to the website clickup.com. So after you're there, just look at the top right corner where you can see this option that says get started. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you would see this option that says that you need to enter your work email. Just go ahead and do so and tap on next. Type in your full name, or you could also choose to continue with Google. Tap on continue, and now you have these routine questions. So just choose why you would like to use ClickUp. I'm just going to choose personal, and you can also choose what would you like to manage. Tap on next and enter your email addresses and tap on I'm done. And now you have successfully created a ClickUp account. So there you go. It's that easy.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.